Hey y'all, I'm coming to you looking real rough. Scarf is on, robe's on. I'm living full-on quarantine life right now. It's the middle of the week and my hair is kind of dry. I just gave it a trim. I don't want to slack up on my moisturizing routine. I really want to keep up on it. But it's the middle of the week. It's not close enough to wash day. But my hair definitely is dry and it needs to be re-moisturized. High porosity hair. Anyway. But I wanted to try it using just 2 ingredients. Just some aloe vera juice and, you already know by the title, some Blue Magic grease. Blue Magic has so many different scents and different, I don't know if you can call them flavors, but whatever, different options. This one is the Blue Magic castor oil. It smells really good. My mom used to use this one. Shout out to you, Ma. Yeah, she used to use it on my hair when I was a kid. I bought it originally because I wanted to use it on my ends, just to put on an extra layer to make sure that moisture is really sealed in. But today I'm going to try it on a twist out on my whole hair, my whole, length of hair. So we'll see how that works out. So if you guys want to see that, then just keep on watching. So I already went ahead and did one side of my head already. Added some skinny perm rods to the end. So I decided to speed it up a little bit because you guys really don't need to see how I twist my hair, or how I flat twist my hair. If you guys want to see a separate tutorial on how I do that, I'll be more than happy to. I don't want you guys to get bored just by seeing how I twist my hair. So I'm not going to spray my hair too much because my hair is stretched from my blowout I did a couple days ago, and I don't want it to revert back too much, but I do want to make sure that the aloe vera has dampened my hair enough so that it's moisturized. Once I do that, I seal it in with the Blue Magic grease. I don't use a lot, just enough to, coat my hair. And then I just flat twisted my hair down, and I repeated this process on my entire head. Once I got to the end of my hair, and if I felt like my ends were still dry, I just sprayed a little more aloe and applied some more grease. That's it. And then I just rolled it up on a perm rod, just a couple inches up, and moved on to the next section. I was a little concerned that the Blue Magic was going to weigh down my hair. One, because, my hair is not that thick. My hair is medium to low density, so I was concerned that it would weigh my hair down a little bit, especially because my hair was blown out. But we'll see to the end if it actually weighed my hair down or anything. So just keep on watching. Shiny, feels good. I'm just gonna let it air dry like this, and then I'm gonna tie my hair up, and I will come back tomorrow with how it's looking. Okay, so this is the next day. Twist should be dry. I'm surprised these rollers are still in because they never stay in my hair. So off the bat, my hair doesn't feel overly greasy or anything. So I'm just going to separate starting from the back. I'm gonna put a little bit of grapeseed oil on my fingertips just to decrease any frizz. And let's see what we're working with. Ooh. Ooh. I see definition. can I just separate from now instead of going back and searching for random ones that I missed? That's just more work, so I'd rather just separate from now, because when I don't, I always end up forgetting one. Yeah, it doesn't feel greasy at all, so that makes me happy. It feels moisturized. I don't want to speak too soon, but I feel like this is going to be a good twist up. I don't want to jinx it though. I don't want to jinx it. So I'm going to speed through the takedown portion of this. I was basically just saying that I was so surprised that my hair was still stretched, even though I sprayed aloe vera juice on it, because like I told you earlier, I did start out with a blowout. My hair did not feel greasy at all. Like, it felt so soft and moisturized. It still had body and definition. Like, girl, I know you see this right now. I know you see it. I'm so surprised. I think that Blue Magic was like, what, maybe $3? And it's gonna last me forever because that jug is huge and I really don't need that much. Okay, I haven't even picked and fluffed yet. I'm getting hyped, so I'm gonna take out this side off camera and I'll be right back. No exaggeration, y'all, this is the best twist out I've had in a minute. It's not too defined. It's like in the middle where it's still defined, but it still has body to it. I'm so excited. My hair feels so good. Let me find out, Blue Magic. Let me find out. No, y'all. I really wasn't expecting for it to look this good. Let me know in the comments if I'm exaggerating. Does it look as good on camera as it does in person? Because I know it'd be like that sometimes. I'm really shook. I don't know if y'all could tell, but your girl is shook. I don't know if I'm going to use this all the time, but I'm definitely going to use it in like midweek when my hair is getting a little dry and it's closer to wash day. I know y'all see that body. Stiff wear. Stiff wear. Let me get off this camera. Yeah, so Blue Magic, thumbs up for me, because as of right now, Miss Magic did her thing. She sure did. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. That just goes to show you can't really follow the natural hair rules, because what works for somebody may not work for somebody else, and what doesn't work for someone might work for you. So just keep that in mind. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.